Hi folks, Jason here again at Leisure Time Sales. We just took a look at a beautiful Puma XLE bunk model. Now this one is, for lack of a better term, a full Puma. So this one a little heavier, a little different build style to it. Definitely more, can be pulled with the right truck, but definitely more designed to be set up on a park for permanent seasonal camping. You see the nice new graphics on there. They freshen things up just a little bit for the season. Our friends at Palomino Puma always looking to make a splash with their design, really sporty looking trailers. This one, a 31R LQS 2023 version. Again, we're lucky to start seeing these roll in now as we prepare for the transition into the new season. Walkable ladder on there, on the back, nice big windows on the campsite, and of course this big slide. Wait till you get inside and see the opposing slide. 31R LQS, one of our most popular couples floor plans. A couple outside speakers on this one, as well as a nice big awning to open up a nice space here at the campsite. And of course you've got your step above steps, which makes it nice and convenient and safe and stable to get inside the unit. Now this one, by far my favorite of the Puma floor plans for a couple. You've got a nice big space with the opposing slide. You can see the island kitchen. You've got a full couch at the back. That's a tri-fold couch, so that'll fold out. So you're thinking, I'd like to have all this extra space. I have company come sometimes. You can still fold that down, or fold that out rather, and have a nice double bed for company to stay over. And of course that's all set back here amongst these nice panoramic windows. Got a little bit of storage above. Keep all your bedding up there maybe for when you do set that up. Couple Thomas Paine recliners, love those, nice and comfortable. Those will recline, lay back, you can catch yourself an afternoon nap. Some storage above, and of course another window there so you can get that open and get a little breeze at your back while you're relaxing. Directly across from this beautiful entertainment center, a 31-inch electric fireplace, Bluetooth stereo built into it, as well as a 39-inch television. See the pantry space there? Let's go right over and take a look. Love these little pantries. Really all kinds of space. You can rearrange the shelves if you need to, but the way they're set up is perfect for all your dry goods while you're away camping. Nice big Everchill 12-volt fridge. 12-volt fridge, of course, opens up some extra space. Makes for more cubic feet inside. 3-burner cooktop, microwave, storage above, and some storage drawers. Now we step back and take a look at that island, see the high-rise faucet over top of the barn style sink. You've got that nice cutting board inlay, as well as the roller top there for drying dishes, and some more storage over here on the kitchen side of the island. But really at the end of the day, it just ties up, gives you a little bit of extra space, and really ties together the kitchen area. So you have extra counter space, spot to set a beverage down if you're hosting company, and still all kinds of floor space. You can see that nice new flooring that they've got in this year's model. But with the opposing slides, you have all kinds of space in here, even with the island, which is nice. Heading towards the back of the unit, we'll take a quick look at the bathroom as we head to the bedroom. Nice and bright. You've got a sit-down shower with sliding glass doors, skylight above, nice foot flush toilet, and again, a good sized sink, corner medicine cabinet, and some linen storage there as well. One little thing I like about this trailer, the Pumas now, they're putting in this little marker light, so when you're coming in here in the middle of the night, that'll flip on so that you can see what you're doing without having to turn on the whole light and wake yourself all the way up. So, coming into the bedroom, this is probably the part people like best about this, is the east-west facing bed on a slide. So it really opens things up. You see the storage above. You've got little bedside nightstands there. And of course, all this floor space as we take another look at that new 2023 flooring. Small color change here too at the back. The wardrobe has a little bit of an offset color. Really adds some nice texture to the whole design of the trailer. Big closet here at the back. And a couple drawers here under the window to store a few more things. Nice touch here too with the USB charger. And of course this is all set up for a television if you'd like to have one in the bedroom as well. So, two 2023s on the lot in the Puma line. One being an XLE light, nice and easy to tow. And we've got this beautiful full Puma 31R LQS, both 2023s. Come on in and take a look, folks. Our friends up at Leisure Time Sales in Moncton, happy to serve you as well. Down here at Leisure Time Sales in Quispamsis, all kinds of great pre-owned opportunities, as well as these new units and the 2022 model Clio design now. So come on in and see us.